मदन जी आप सुन पा रहे हो?
हाँ अभी आ रहा है आवाज।
हाँ
नमस्कार दादा, कैसे हैं?
ठीक है। विवेक जी आप अच्छे हैं?
बस चल रहा है, थोड़ा सर्दी खांसी का मतलब गला बैठा हुआ है, चल रहा है।
लेकिन
तपन
आपको देख नहीं
दा
ये
वेलकम वेलकम एंड लोग आपका इगरली वेट कर रहे थे। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, थोड़ा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट कीजिएगा एंड देन जो टॉपिक है उस पर हम मूव करेंगे।
ठीक है, लेकिन हम किसी को नहीं देख पा रहे।
एक्चुअली मैंने सबका वीडियो ऑफ कर दिया, नहीं तो क्या हो जाएगा ना, डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा। लोग आपको सुनने आए हैं, आपको देखने आए हैं, तो आप बोलिए, आप जो भी बोलेंगे लोग सुन रहे हैं।
ठीक है, स्टार्ट करूं?
यस तपन दा।
ओके, everybody can hear me? Can hear me properly?
यस सर।
हाँ दादा।
Welcome to this meeting. Welcome to this meeting. This is long awaited meeting because many people, everybody can understand English, or should I convert into Hindi also? Hello? Should I convert into Hindi also? Can everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
हाँ दादा, कंटिन्यू।
English, please. Yes, we can understand. English, please.
दादा तपन दा मदन बोल रहे हैं। दादा एक्चुअली वी हैव पार्टिसिपेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर रीजनल पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, सो बेटर टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश।
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to all in this meeting. This is a long-awaited meeting because people wanted to talk with me. And a sound is there, no? A sound is there. Hello. Sound
Yes,
is
someone.
there.
Yes, the sound was
Disturbance.
come. Yeah. Please unmute your.
Everybody was trying to contact me over Telegram channel, but it is very difficult to respond to everybody personally with a Telegram channel. But now I'm starting the meeting. I will give a brief introduction about myself. Myself, Tapan Banerjee. I started my career long back in the year 1977, and whatever it may be achievement, lastly I got retirement from Bombay as a vice president. Okay, in the year 2019. Okay, now I was thinking that what should I do after this return? Okay, so just before the retirement, I could make with an motivator, the management guru. Can everybody hear me? Hello, can everybody hear me?
Yes, we can
Yes
hear.
दादा, you can
Yes.
continue.
Okay, I met a management guru, and I asked him that what to do after this retirement. What should I do?
Madan sir, can you please mute everyone except Tapan Dada?
Yeah, I have done that. Just
Somebody is talking in between. Hello. Then I immediately decided that I must start something. But at this age, it is very difficult to do 8 to 10 years office job. I thought for an alternative business where I can get some earning. Somebody gave me idea that you go for trading business. So I started trading in the year 2020 with a capital of 35,000 only. And within a month, I lost near about 10,000. I contacted many people that who can help me, who can help me. But please believe me that everybody gave suggestion but could not help me properly. Somebody suggested me that go and join in a paid channel where they will give you call and you can earn something. But while asking and probing, I could understand that paid channel is not the solve because their success rate is 70%. And if I do wrong trade, then I'm going to definitely going to lose. So what to do? Then I started scalping. Scalping by seeing the price action only. Madanji, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can
Can
hear
you
you
hear?
very well. We can hear you very well.
Okay. So price action only. By price action, seeing the price action, I started scalping. Suppose the bank nifty is going up, I buy. Bank nifty is going down, I save. But this is not the solve. I thought that if I want to earn something, I have to be something very, very much, what should I say, professional approach. Must have some professional approach. While searching in other video call, I could get the contact number of Mr. SG. Immediately, I contacted him over telephone on the 9th January, and we had a discussion of half an hour. I joined this group. After joining this group, the total scenario of my trading is changed. And I could understand that even with the capital of 10-15,000 rupees, it is very easy to earn 25 to 35,000 rupees in a month. Only thing, you have to be very, very much disciplined. Suppose if I start a business, people are saying that sitting full day for trading, seeing the Telegram channel, Mr. Subhoggo suddenly gave a call at about 1:30 or 12:30 or 10 or even 1:45. So that needs a patience. Suppose I open a grocery shop. So I have to wait for the customer. I must have that patience that the customer will come, will purchase something, I will earn something, and in this process, if I open a grocery shop in a month, first amount I have to accumulate in, that is the rent of that shop. And here only 15,000 is your capital, and if you utilize properly and if you do the trading as per the need, you can always earn 35 to 40,000 rupees, 25 to 35,000 rupees. How I can tell you? Just wait for the call. The moment the call is given, why we are thinking, I'm saying that the Telegram channel, I'm seeing many bodies Telegram that okay, I could not take the trade. Okay, if there is call from Mr. SG has given a call that buy CE 35,500, they will start thinking whether this will move. Somebody will pass a comment that negative signs has started, that a red candle has is being seen. Why should I think all these things when I have to follow Mr. Subhag, Mr. SG's call, Mr. Black Tiger? We have to follow. Get in the call. Stop loss is there. What maximum bad thing will happen? That is only stop loss. That is 1,000 rupees is the maximum. As per SG is always telling that 35 points is always a stop loss. 1,000 is maximum. 1,000 is maximum loss in a call. And what is the profit? And 100 point also. But I don't play personally for 100 points. This is the key of success. I play for 30 to 50 points. In a volatile day, I play for only 20 to 30 points. Okay. 30 to 50 points. Why this is 30 to 50 points? Suppose a call, 35,300 call, will go up to, the cost of the call is 220 and it will go up to 350. But as soon as 270 is achieved, I just immediately exit from the trade. Why? That is the target of income. I keep a small target of income. I don't make any loss. Because when I see that is the green, my PL is showing that I am winning, why should I wait and wait until my PL becomes red? Take 30 to 50, that is your profit, 30 to 50 points. 100 points profit is the hope. It does not always happen, but 30, 50 points always happen with a call of SG or Black Tiger. On Thursday, I have seen that when SG gave a call, people were thinking, somebody messaged me personally, should I enter into call? Why SG is giving call? Who is Tapan Banerjee that to suggest you that whether you should enter or not? You must take the call. Do you think that am I efficient enough to nullify the call of SG? No, I follow SG. I follow Black Tiger. Why should I antagonize? Why should I antagonize this call? The moment this call is given, immediately you see that what is that purchase the call of 35,300 call at the cost of 220 to 230. You just wait, that price should come to 230, 220, then purchase. Sometimes 230 doesn't come, 200 from 32 it starts moving. You immediately enter. Why? No call is giving for 10 to 12 points. Even you can purchase that call at 240. You will be in profit. But you have to use your own brain. You have to see the price action, where the call is going. You grab 30, 40, 50 points and immediately exit out from the trade. Why to wait to lose? Another point, that people always wait for another call. If second call is given, take that second call. If second call is not given, what is the harm in it? You are in profit. You have earned 800 to 1,000 rupees per day, and you must be happy. Suppose you take an exit from a call with a profit of 40 points. And that call went to a profit of 200 points. What is the harm in it? You are in profit, no? You are in profit. That 200 point is your greed. And generally we lose when our greed increases. I have seen many people, I know they have personally messaged me that even after winning 1,000, 1,500, they take another call of their own or suggested by anybody else, not from this group. Of course, Mr. Subham Ghosagar, if Mr. Subham Ghosh gives a call, you all play with that call. From other group, we got a suggestion. Immediately took that call and whole money gone. He ended the day with red. But after sitting 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, if you end the day with a red, oh God, very disheartening. I got telephone from a man, I will not disclose the name. He was telling that he has lost near about 60,000 rupees in a day. Why? The greed. I used to play with one lot. Now I am permissible to take 2 lots. This is the question of discipline. The man who taught me how to take trade, when he is asking that Banerjee da, Tapan da, don't take 2 lots, play with 1 lot. I play with 1 lot. I don't take 2 lots. After 3, 4 months, the Tapan Banerjee was permitted to take 2 lots. You can check with many our group's admin. They were not giving me permission to take 2 lots because they wanted me to be in profit. And last month, I made a profit of 31,000 rupees. My total capital is intact. 2 times I have taken money out from that trading account to my bank account. Here, after getting the call, I have come to know that people fear, people get nervous, people get high blood pressure to enter in the call. What fear here? What fear? What for? SL is there. I got a very accurate process to overcome the fear. Should I tell you? Should I share with you? Madanji, should I share with you?
Okay,
Accurate process of
but in short, Tapanda, you have 5 more minutes because we have 30 minutes scheduled
Okay.
meeting.
Okay, sir. I will end up within 5 minutes. I will give you a small tip for immediately how to overcome the fear. Just put 1,000 rupees in the morning to your trading account, add 1,000 rupees, and your mentality should be there that I'm going to lose this 1,000 rupees today. I'm not going to gain anything. If you can manage your mind like this, that okay, this 1,000 rupees I'm adding to my trading account, whatever it is, 10,000, 12,000 rupees, I'm adding 1,000, it will become 11,000 or 13,000 rupees. This 1,000 rupees I'm going to lose. Immediately you enter in the trade, you will have no fear at all. Okay. Now, if there is any question, please message us. I will personally give you answer. to all the questions. Thank you very much. Madanji, I am finished within this time.
Tapanda, you have four more minutes. You can utilize that time. No issue.
Okay. If anybody want to ask any question directly, I can answer within this 4 minutes. Anybody is very curious to talk with me?
Tapanda, what I would
Anybody?
suggest, if everyone will starting, it will be less time. I'm suggesting people to ask the question in main group. You can continue, okay, about fear factor, how to remove fear factor.
Okay. You take trade, suppose you take trade, 30, 40 points, yeah, 20 points you immediately gain. The moment you gain 20 points, the stop loss you should increase the stop loss to your cost, at least cost to cost. If you lose the trade, you will not lose the money, you will lose your profit. That is another way to counteract the fear. And please, for God's sake, when you are in green, you are in positive, you have win 40, 50 points, don't go for second trade until and unless SG or Black Tiger gives a second trade. Please keep it in mind. Please apply this and please regularly practice this. Trade with one lot with 40, 50 points is the key for success with a small amount of 10 to 15,000 rupees capital. Okay. Lastly, with a jovial mood, I will end up this meeting with a small story. We all hear the Satya Katha by Sadhguru, no? People hear from Sadhguru. After hearing, they just got up from the chair, they just redust the back. No, pant jadta hai, pant. Oh, they redust, want to redust the pant and go home, and they forget all the Satya Katha. They will do of their own what they used to do so many times, from so many times. Please don't do this. Please hear me. Take 30 to 50 points and get out of this trade. If you are in positive, don't enter into other trade until and unless SG and Black Tiger give you the call. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Tapanda.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Participants, you can ask question in main group, just tag Tapanda and we are there to help you. Okay. And you can ask question. I haven't seen people are asking question. You can ask question in main group. We all admin will answer you and we will guide you. Whatever the fear factor, okay, you are losing your capital, how to manage that. Okay, we can guide you anytime. So no issues. We will have a follow-up session with Tapanda and other admins also to guide you so that you can properly manage your capital and you can do minimization in your losses. Okay. Thank you all for joining. Thank you, Tapanda.
Vivek ji is there?
Yes.
Vivek ji?
Dasanan Bhai.
Dasanan Bhai, I am thankful to you also. You have joined. I am thankful to Madan ji and all participants that they have joined and they have used their valuable time to hear me. Thank you very much. Can I get a video of this meeting, sir?
Yeah, I will post the recording. We will give you the link to all participants. I am recording this session.
Okay. Okay. I am not hearing Dasanan. Dasanan is not here.
Oh, it's a 6:30. He might be busy with glasses.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. Bye. Can I see your face, Madan ji?
I'm on desktop. Okay, it's a very not a good video. Okay, that's why I muted off. I will have some video session with you. Not any Tapanda. I will have a video session with you.
Thank you. Bye. Good day.